In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add Visa gift card to DoorDash. Let's get started. First, you'll need to launch your DoorDash app or navigate to the website. Then make sure you have already logged into your account. Make sure the Visa card that you want to add is activated. Some cards need to be activated online or by phone before you can use them. Now head over to the Account tab at the bottom, then choose Payment Methods. DoorDash does not accept Visa gift cards as DoorDash gift cards. Instead, you have to add it like a regular credit card. Enter 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code from the back. If a Visa gift card has a zip code requirement, you may need to register it on the gift cards provider's website first. This links it to your billing address so DoorDash can verify it. After adding it, place a small order to test it out. As long as your gift card balance covers the total, including tax, fees, and tip, your order should go through without issues. If you only have a partial balance left, DoorDash does not allow split payments. The best workaround is to use your Visa gift card to buy an actual DoorDash gift card on the DoorDash site or retailer like Amazon. Then redeem that in the app for a smooth checkout, and that's it. That's the best way to add and use Visa gift card on DoorDash. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.